If you use Telegram every day, turning on two-step verification is one of the smartest things you can do to protect your account. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable two-step verification on Telegram desktop, step by step, so you can add an extra layer of security in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner and click the menu icon. This will open the main menu, where you can access all of Telegram's settings and security options. From the menu, click Settings, and then go to Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps the controls for your account protection, login privacy, and security features. Now scroll through the security section until you find two-step verification. Click on it to begin the setup process. Telegram will now ask you to create a password. This password is important because it will be required whenever you sign in on a new device. Enter a strong password that you do not use anywhere else, then confirm it by typing it again. Once both fields match, click Continue. After that, Telegram may give you the option to add a hint. This hint is there to help you remember your password later, but keep it vague enough that it does not reveal your password to anyone else. If you want, you can add a hint here, or you can skip this step if you prefer. Next, Telegram will ask you to add a recovery email. I highly recommend that you add an email address here, because if you forget your two-step verification password and you do not have a recovery email, you could be locked out of your account. So if you choose to add one, type in your email address carefully and continue. Telegram will send a verification code to that email, so open your inbox, find the code, and enter it into Telegram to confirm the email address. If you decide not to add an email, you can skip this part. But again, adding one is the safer option. Once you finish the hint and email steps, Telegram will confirm that two-step verification is now active. And that's it. Your Telegram account now has an extra security layer to help protect it from unauthorized access. From now on, anyone trying to sign in on a new device will need both your Telegram login and your two-step verification password. So if you want to keep your account secure, this is a feature you definitely should turn on. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Telegram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.